Okay friends, here's a short video of Hawken House Garden. Want you to see how much it has grown. This is all filled in. It's the dog days of summer. I don't think it looks bad at all. Look at this St. John's wort. A beautiful batch of medicinal heirloom comfrey. Our lovely centerpiece. And back to this area, which was totally empty and now is full of beautiful insects, bumblebees, butterflies. It's awesome. Thanks to my Hawken House watering team that keeps this place hydrated. We've had some rain, but we've also had some hot days. Okay, can't wait till Webster Groves Herb Society gets to see this at our meet and greet. So long for now.